Namaste everyone, welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out anything from my side. Okay, I have this terrible throat ache and extreme cold, and once you have applied foundation on your face, you cannot wipe your nose. All you can do is, and this will keep you sorted for the next 10 minutes, I guess. And I have extreme cold and I really want to pull this video off in a very short time because, you know. Okay, so today I have with me a makeup kit from the brand Miss Claire. Now, I have never used this brand. I have never used any cosmetic of this brand, so I don't know what to expect. And this is called a makeup kit mainly because this has 9 eyeshadows and 3 blushes, and I'll show you the packaging and color in detail. This is the Miss Claire makeup kit and this is how the packaging looks like. This has 9 eyeshadows and 3 blushes, and these are the list of ingredients. Okay, so this retails for 440 rupees. It's written over here, it's not type printed anywhere, it's written for 440, and this is 9915B3. This is how you can find this online, like on Amazon or Nykaa. It's from this serial number, so I think this is makeup kit number 3. There will be 2 more, I guess. So this is how it looks like. So let's check. Miss Claire makeup kit, and this is makeup kit number 3. This is 9.9 grams in quantity and item number is 9915B3. Upon opening, you have this separator, and these are the 9 shades and these are the 3 blushes. These are the 9 shades. So as you can see, the colors, they have a hint of shine and they have this golden shine. If you see very carefully, there is this golden kind of a shine in every shade. The shades are not matte, and the blushes also have a shine. If you can see all the shades have a shine. So I'll quickly swatch these shades on my arm and I'll show you. These are the 9 eyeshadow colors which I have applied on my arm, and as you can see, the colors are quite nicely pigmented. So let's check the blushes on this hand, I guess. So this is the pink one. This is kind of a light pink. Okay, and this one is kind of dark pink. Alright, these are looking almost same, and this one is a brown shade which you can use as a contour as well. So, yeah. So these are the blushes and these are the eyeshadows. It has this applicator. One end is sponge and the other side is kind of a brush. I think this, you can use this to apply the inner corner of your eyes. It has a kind of slant, if you can see. So this is good, I think. So let's get back to the video. As you saw, these are the colors, and the colors are beautiful. They look good. I applied on my eyes. It is this one. This is the shade I applied on my eyes. I have to say that this color or this eyeshadow palette has a lot of fallout. Like, the fallout is terrible, and basically I normally do my eyes first and then after that I do the rest of my face, just to avoid fallout and just to dust off the excess fallout. But today I did my entire face and then I did my eyes just to see how good or bad this palette is. But the green shade has a lot of fallout, and I am almost sure every shade must be having a lot of fallout. So that is not good at all, because 440 rupees is not a less price you're paying for an eyeshadow. It's not a less price. So quality should be good. Fallout is not good at all, especially if you are applying a dark color, and if it falls, you'll have to do your makeup again, which makes no sense. So if you have to ask me, I didn't like this palette that much. The colors are no doubt very beautiful. The colors are really beautiful, like browns and goldens and every shade they have. But though I just tested one shade, maybe the rest are fine, but chances are less that the rest are fine. So the blush also I have applied on my cheeks. If you can see the blush, I applied the brown one. I applied this brown blush on my cheeks, and I think the blush is pretty much decent. I don't apply blushes much because it doesn't suit my face, so I don't apply blushes much. But otherwise, I think apart from the fallout, I think the colors are pigmented. You don't have to work very hard to get a nice color. The color comes off quite easily, but fallout cannot be neglected. So all in all, this is not a fabulous product. I won't say this is fabulous, and neither this is drab. Like this could have been better. So this is somewhere between fab and drab. So neither happy nor sad. So that was it. That was my small take on this Miss Clear eyeshadow palette. I'll see you guys next time with some other product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.